Welcome friends. In this video we shall talk about a hand yoga pose called as Bhramar Mudra, which cures any and all types of allergies. Plus we will also share 3 more mudras which are impactful and useful in case of allergies. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Bhramar Mudra. To form this mudra, fold your index finger and place its tip, that is end of the nail, at the base of the thumb. This is similar to the formation of Vayu Mudra. After this, fold your middle finger and place tip of your thumb on the right hand side, that is right edge of the nail of the middle finger. As you can see here in this picture, the thumb is on the right hand side of the finger. Keep all other fingers straight and upright as you see here in this picture. To do this mudra, sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana. However, if you can't do these asanas, you can sit in any position as you like or you feel comfortable. Form this mudra with your hand and breathe deeply. Do this mudra 5 times daily for 7 minutes each. Regular practice of this mudra will cure even chronic and old allergies. Bhramar Mudra benefits. Bhramar Mudra cures all types of allergies. That is, allergies caused due to any reason can be cured by this mudra. For example, Bhramar Mudra cures allergies due to common cold or due to changes in weather, allergies due to fragrances of flowers, pollens, perfumes, etc., allergies due to dust, smoke, some kind of food allergies or food items, or allergies caused due to animal dander. This Bhramar Mudra removes following symptoms which are caused by some kind of allergies. The symptoms are bronchitis, asthma or runny nose, skin rashes, for example red spot or itching, excessive sneezing, itching in eyes or watery eyes. All these symptoms can be easily removed by Bhramar Mudra if these symptoms are caused by allergies. There are 3 other mudras which help in allergies. These mudras are Pran Mudra, Prithvi Mudra and Shankh Mudra. All these 3 mudras have been described in detail in other videos that we have prepared. You can access these videos by going to these links or by going to our channel. Now let's have some general information on the mudras, but I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are tattva mudras and 5 are pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb's tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic Mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. Two different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.